What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have another package here to be unpackaged. We got the blue alien on deck, so let's get right in here, see what we got. That should be enough to get us in. Okay, so we have the Eachine Flying Frog Q90, and this thing was on sale for an unbelievable 25 bucks. And so I went ahead and jumped on this. So we're gonna open this thing up. Need the blue alien again for this. Let's see. Looks like it opens right here. So this is it right here. Feels a little light. Feels a lot lighter than I expected. That. Wow, so this has some prop guards here. It has another canopy is in here, a white canopy. We have an extra set of props there because some props are installed on it already. We have a USB charging cable. Looks like it charges off the balance lead, so this must be a 2S model. And sure enough, there is a 2S battery in here. A 350 milliamp hour 2S battery. Very small. With a balancing port on it. Also, we got some wires to connect the receiver and everything. And we have an instructions manual here in black and white. Looks to be in full English. Yep, full English. And this is the model here. So, looks a little odd. This reminds me a little of the other Eachine model. I think it was the Bumblebee. I can't remember the name of that Bumblebee looking quad that Eachine has. It reminds me of that because of the spacing of the arms here. So it looks like it got 8.5mm motors on it and the camera. So for 25 bucks, this thing is worth it, if only for just the parts, the battery and the motors and this FPV camera and everything. So pretty small for a 350 milliamp hour 2S battery. I actually have some 250 milliamp hour batteries that look like they're the same exact size. Let me see if I can fetch one. Okay, so I was able to fetch one. So check it out. This is a Venom 250 milliamp hour battery. And it's about the same exact size as this 350 milliamp hour battery here. And this one is 30C. The Venom battery is only 20C if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't say actually, but oh, you can see that it is considerably thicker. Both batteries have a balance lead on it. So this is going to be very interesting. I'm wondering how this thing's going to fly. I did see Quadcopter 101 flying his and it seemed pretty docile. But these things, you can hook them up to Betaflight and CleanFlight, and you can flash these things with Betaflight or CleanFlight. Newer versions and all, you can adjust the PIDs even, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to get this thing flying aggressive. So you guys can stay tuned. You guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up very soon, and ultimately maybe a quick review or a full review. It's the Eachine Flying Frog. Thanks for watching.